The difference between spirit and monad, a journey towards spiritual knowledge. To understand the complex and sometimes abstract concepts of philosophy and spirituality, one must strip away preconceptions and open oneself to a deeper understanding. Among the terms that often cause confusion is spirit and monad. Although both words are used in various spiritual and philosophical traditions to describe aspects of our immaterial or transcendent existence, their meanings and applications vary significantly. To understand these differences, we will explore each concept separately. The spirit. In many belief systems, the spirit refers to the immaterial and eternal essence of a being. In a religious context, it can be understood as the breath of life, the vital principle that animates the physical body. This concept can be found in many spiritual traditions, from Hindu and Buddhist teachings to Abrahamic beliefs and beyond. The spirit is often considered immortal, transcending the death of the physical body. It is also seen as capable of evolution or transformation through processes such as reincarnation or salvation. The spirit can experience suffering and joy, learn lessons, and grow in wisdom and love. In many traditions, the purpose of human life is seen as a journey of the spirit toward perfection, enlightenment, or union with the divine. The monad. The monad, a term that comes from the philosophy of the German philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, refers to a fundamental and indivisible entity that forms reality. Leibniz considered monads as the true atomic units of existence, entities that are indivisible, immutable, and eternal. Unlike the spirit, which can evolve and change, the monad is a complete and perfect entity in itself. Leibniz argued that each monad is a microcosmic reflection of the entire universe, and that although monads do not interact directly with each other, they all reflect the same universe from their own perspective, in a state of pre-established harmony. In this sense, each monad is like a mirror of the entire universe, but from a unique and unrepeatable point of view. Comparing spirit and monad. Thus, while the spirit is seen as an entity that can learn, grow, and evolve, the monad is an eternal, perfect, and autonomous entity that reflects the universe in itself. While the spirit can interact directly with other beings and with the physical world, the monad is essentially solitary. It does not interact with other monads, but reflects all others and the entire universe in itself. Undoubtedly, although these are conceptual models, spirit and monad have become deeply meaningful terms that help many people make sense of the vast and mysterious reality that surrounds us. Both terms are vital to understanding aspects of our existence that go beyond the purely physical and sensory. The spirit, a term that resonates deeply with many, offers a way to connect with our immaterial and eternal essence, providing a sense of continuity beyond our earthly existence. Through this concept, we become aware of a deeper dimension of our existence, a level that transcends the physical and opens us to possibilities of growth and evolution. The monad, on the other hand, offers us a model to understand the interconnection and unity of all things in the universe. Each monad, although unique and indivisible, reflects the totality of the cosmos in itself, suggesting an underlying harmony and unity in all existence. Therefore, while it is true that concepts and words are maps that try to represent the territory of reality, we should not underestimate their power. These maps, especially when it comes to such fundamental terms as spirit and monad, have the ability to illuminate our path, expand our understanding, and deeply enrich our life experience. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you.